Day 13 Science and Technology. Question number 16. With reference to the virus, consider the following statements. Statement 1. These are non-cellular in nature and cannot be cultivated in any synthetic medium. Statement 2. Rhinoviruses is responsible for causing the polio in toddlers. Which of the following above are correct? So answer for this question is option A, 1 only. So the statement 2 is incorrect because the rhinovirus causes the common cold and flu, whereas the polio is caused by the polio virus. Polio mainly affect the children under the 5 years of age and can be prevented through the vaccination. Question number 17. Consider the following statement. Statement 1. Alveoli which are present inside the lungs are layered with arteries. Statement 2. The primary function of veins is the exchange of material between the blood and tissue cells. Statement 3. The capillaries are the smallest blood vessels in our vascular system. So, how many of the above statements are correct? So, answer for this question is 1 only. Statement 1 is incorrect because alveoli are the sac-like structures surrounded by the blood capillaries, not the arteries. Gas exchange occurs through the diffusion across the capillaries walls. Statement 2 also incorrect because veins transfers blood whereas exchange of materials occurs in capillaries, not veins. Question number 18. With reference to the red blood cells, consider the following statements. Statement 1. These are formed in the bone marrows and the destroyed in the spleen. And the statement 2. Hemoglobin is the compound that carries the oxygen inside the red blood cells. Statement 3. When hemoglobin level is low, it means that the body is not getting enough oxygen. So, which of the statements given above are correct? So, answer for this question is option C is correct. 1, 2, 3, all three are correct statements. Question number 19. With reference to the circulatory system, consider the following statement. Statement 1. The aorta attached to the heart is the thickest blood vessel in the human body. Statement 2. The pulmonary artery helps in supplying oxygenated blood from the heart to the entire human body. Statement 3. Venous carries the blood always from the heart and arteries carries the deoxygenated blood back to the heart. So how many of the above statements are correct? So the correct answer for this question is only 1. Statement 2 is incorrect because the pulmonary arteries carries the deoxygenated blood to the lungs, not oxygenated blood to the body. Statement 3 is incorrect because arteries carries the blood away from the heart and venous carries blood towards the heart, not the reverse order. Question number 20. With reference to the flow of blood, consider the following statements. The right ventricle pumps the low oxygenated blood into the pulmonary artery, which branches off into the smaller and smaller arteries and capillaries. Statement 2. Oxygen-rich blood travels through the pulmonary veins and left atrium into the left ventricle. So, which of the following statements are correct? So, answer for this question is both 1 and 2 are correct. Question number 21. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. Stem cells are found only in animal cells and can be used for screening of new drugs and medical therapies. Statement 2. Perioperative cells are pluripotent cells are obtained from the zygotes and can generated into any types of cell limitlessly. So, which of the following statements above are correct? So the correct answer is neither one nor two statements are correct. Statement 1 is incorrect because the stem cells are found in both the plant and animal cells, not only in the animals. Statement 2 is also incorrect because pluripotent cells, not the pluripotent cells, arise from the zygotes and can form the all cell types. Pluripotent cells can limited differentiation ability. Question number 22. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. Carbohydrates are the components that help in the process of growth and repair of cells. Statement 2. Carbohydrates are synthesized mostly by the plants and help the human body is generating energy. So which of these statements given above are correct? So the correct answer for this question is option B, 2 only. The statement 1 is incorrect because proteins, not carbohydrates, are responsible for the growth and repair of the cells. Question number 23. With reference to the nutrients, consider the following statements. Statement 1. The human body needs iodine to produce the thyroid hormones which help in controlling the metabolism of the body. Statement 2. Iron is essential for the producing of red blood cells. Both the vitamin B9 and vitamin B12 are the fat soluble vitamins. So, how many of the above statements are incorrect? So, option A, 1 only. Statement 3 is incorrect because vitamin B9 and B12 are water soluble, not the fat soluble. Question number 24. Consider the following pairs with refers to the diseases caused by the deficiency of vitamins. Vitamin B, rabi, vitamin C, rickets, vitamin D, scurvy, and how many of the above pairs are correctly matched? So the answer for this question is only one. That is a pair. Uh, One is correctly matched. Pair 2 and 3 are incorrectly matched. Pair 2 is incorrect because vitamin C deficiencies cause the scurvy, not the rickets. And the statement 3 is incorrect because vitamin D deficiencies cause the rickets, not the scurvy. Question number 25. With reference to the vitamins, consider the following pairs. Here in this column vitamins and in the second column is scientific names. Vitamin B2 scientific name is riboflavin. Vitamin B6 scientific name is pyridosine, and vitamin B12 and the scientific name is cobalamin. And which of the following pairs are correctly matched? So the correct answer for this question is option D, 1, 2 and 3. So all the pairs are correctly matched. Question number 26. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. Pantothenic acid is essential for the growth and functional development of brain in infants. Statement 2. The presence of the folate in the human body is the essential for the fetal growth and development of the spine. Statement 3. Fish is a rich source of folic acid. So which of the statements above are correct? So the correct answer for this question is option B, 2 and 3 only. Statement 1 is incorrect because brain development in infants is primarily supported by the DHA, not the pantothenic acid. Question number 27. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. DNA molecules are long and double stranded, and RNA molecules are the short and single stranded. Statement 2. DNA molecules are mainly involved in the process of the translation. Statement 3. The RNA specific pyrimidine uracil forms a contemporary base pair with the guanine. And how many of the above statements are correct? So the answer for this question is one, option A, 1 only. Statement 2 is incorrect because DNA is involved in the transcription, not the translation. Statement 3 is incorrect because the uracil pair with the adenine, not the guanine. Question number 28. With reference to the insulin, consider the following statements. Statement 1. Insulin is produced by the beta cells present in the islets of the Langerhans of the pancreas. And statement 2. This peptide hormones plays a key role in regulating the body's energy supply by balancing the micronutrients level during the fed state. So which of the states are above are corrected? So the correct answer is C. Both 1 and 2 statements are correct. Question number 29. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. Adenine matches with the guanine in DNA forming a double strand. Statement 2. The process by which DNA is copied to RNA is called as a translation. Statement 3. The restriction enzymes are also known as molecular seizures. So the how many of the above statements are correct? The correct answer is option A, 1 only. The statement 1 and 2 are incorrect, and option 3 is statement 3 is correct. So the statement 1 is incorrect because the adenine pairs with the thymine, not the guanine. And the statement 2 is incorrect because the DNA and RNA conversion is also called as the transcriptions, not the translation. With reference to the GM crops, consider the following statements. GM crops means genetically modified crops. Statement 1. Genetic engineering in transgenic crops results in the expressions of the new traits of characteristics in the modern crops. Statements 2. Non-transgenic crops do not involve the inserting any foreign DNA. So the which of the statements given above are correct? So the correct answer is option C. Both 1 and 2 statements are correct. So in week 1 we already completed the 100 questions completed, which involving the all the subjects: polity, history, geography, economy. Like this, each day we solve the 15 questions. At the end we solve the current quest of the week. So currently we are in the week 2. So today we solve the science and technology 15 questions successfully completed, and tomorrow our agenda is covering the current affairs, which is 10 questions, which is our tomorrow goal. So complete this series. So you have completed around 200 questions. In the week 1 we solved the 100 questions, and this week 2, if we solve 10 questions tomorrow, so it's become a 200 questions. So start solving from uh, video first to in this video. So thank you.